How to add a story to Snapchat public profile. So if you want to add a story to your Snapchat public profile, then first of all open up your Snapchat application and then simply take a snap. And after taking the snap, now you can go for next, which is on the bottom right. And now here on the first option you will have my public story, which is visible to everyone. So if you want to add a story to your public profile, then choose my public story and then go for the bottom right corner, which has that arrow. That's it. And now you can simply go to your profile, which is on the upper left, and then here you can go for my public profile, and under that you will have your story. So that's it. That's how you add something, or that's how you add a story to your public profile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.